Platoon, individual investors, apes, I have one question for the hedge fund, which is, do you feel lucky, punk? We had an amazing rally today. I'm looking over right now on Webull. We have about 8.66% up on the day, and we are not even done. We got buy signals on the hourly from a couple of days ago on terms of trading from Lux Algo, and now for the first time since 2019, AMC attendance has surpassed 2019 levels thanks to Shang-Chi. What did I say about Shang-Chi? All of this, including the Ortex data, including the options data, right after this cool little intro. Don't go anywhere. Right back to it, guys. We have about 18.64% short interest. That's a 2% decrease, which means shorts had to give a little ground. What exactly does that mean? Well, we're going to have to take out these useless AirPods and say, hey, listen. We are listening, okay? We are making sure that we have the data directly in front of us so that we don't miss out the next time there is a buy signal. We gave you that Labor Day buy signal, that one from yesterday's video, and we are happy to do it again with a future live stream or a future video. So make sure that you guys do defeat that algorithm the best way you can with a treat for Professor Meatball. Whenever you guys see that we have given him a little kibble, you guys smash that like button all the way up to, that's right, 3,000 likes on this video. If you haven't seen that yet, let's try and get it up there and comment out which one you are. More than 2 million people watched movies at AMC's US-based cinemas between September 2nd and 5th, marking the highest number of admissions for Labor Day weekend in the company's history. This is a company history and the middle of a pandemic. This holiday weekend also marked the first time since beginning of COVID-19 pandemic that attendance during a weekend in 2021 outpaced attendance from the same weekend in 2019. AMC CEO Adam Aron pointed to the new Marvel cinematic film Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings, and there's 10 good reasons to go see it other than, hey, we just got 10% nearly on AMC's price action. So once again, what is coming up for it later? Why is it that we are looking more and more likely like an option chain squeeze is coming? We have the options chain right here. This is from the 2nd of September. That was from Friday. If you refresh it, you'll be able to take a look in the option sonar and then look at the back end, right? Look underneath where the data is hiding and understand it with yours truly. I'm a data scientist here in Silicon Valley, and we're going to take a look at all this blue from today. So this is the 7th, and you're looking at $145 calls, $2 million worth of which are going to be delta hedged on its way up. So we are looking very positive in terms of being able to at least surpass that 50s range. We haven't been there for a hot sec, and we have $4 million saying that we will, at least from today alone. In that sense, shorts are getting real afraid. $50. We haven't been able to surpass that since that July gamma squeeze, right? So the last time that we were at that $50 range was when we were in the 60s all the way back in June. And the last time we were even close was when we topped at the Bollinger Bands here, the strong sell signal at the 47.63s, didn't surpass the 50. So we're looking at crucial resistance here. And why is it that we're more likely to be able to surpass it now? We talked about the fact that, let me bust out some pens, we have a descending level of resistance here. Starting here, I want to be able to draw. Please let me draw. Right here. Oh, that's right. I need to be able to do this. There we go. Now I can draw on it. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take a look at the Webull chart here. Let's come on to the daily. Open it up to one chart, and then you'll be able to see me draw the exact same descending levels of resistance right here. Last time we were able to draw descending level resistance, we were tracking a potential bullish pennant right here, the gold one here, which did break out, the white one, which we were reusing the highs and lows from the gold bullish pennant, and then finally this green one. You'll be able to take a note that we have topped 1, 2, 3, and now this is the 4th time that we have been here in the 47.83s. So this is crucial resistance. The last time that we were here, we were surpassing the 261% retracement right there. That's that 44.66. That's using the January and the June gamma squeezes to be able to note exactly where that Fibonacci retracement is going to have crucial levels of resistance. When you guys have that under your pocket, you'll be able to also figure out exactly where can you guys find out the next potential upswing. The next potential upswing are these lifts that we were tracking during our live streams, one here and finally one here. That what I've highlighted is that blue line, that 15-day moving average. What we want to be able to also highlight is the fact that it is supporting our price action on its way up multiple times. And that is exactly why we want to be able to tell you that AMC looking bullish, GME looking bullish, and if you guys are looking for data, you are in the right place. Let's make sure that we do take a look at the options chain for GME real quick. And at the end of the video, you guys are going to be able to get a little bit of a shout out for the people who support this show, as I love to do. Take a look at the GME options chain. A lot fewer strikes, but still the same amount of fervor, right? We have about $200 in terms of calls. This $200 strike here, this $205 strike added together, that's around $1 million worth of calls to battle around the same amount of puts. So that is the options chain on GME. Let's take a look at the short interest as well. That was that 20%, and go gadget short interest detector. GME is at that 12.67% short. So it is significantly less than AMC, but still double digits, which is exactly why AMC and GME continue to chug along. If you guys want to be able to call back the live streams, I will try to be here like our regularly scheduled Wednesday, but I'll try to be here on a couple of extra days as well. So make sure you mark your calendars, make sure you turn on your bell icons. And if you guys are a patron, I appreciate you guys a ton. Still need to update this. If you guys have either subscribed and then press that join button right next to the subscribe button to get some new features, including to be able to get giveaways, to be able to get your names in the credits, and finally to be able to talk to yours truly about financial freedom and be able to understand where the crux of that financial goal is coming from. And finally, be able to get my 6-figure portfolio and look at what makes a winning portfolio. That's something that I started with before the pandemic, and I've been 50% up ever since the last time I saw that video, the video of how many passive income streams that I have been creating. So if you want to see that, that is right in the first video you'll find when you press the channel. So make sure to go there. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll follow you right back. And make sure that you are being yourself. Make sure you're feeling good, because at the end of the day, all the links down in the description are supposed to help you, but only you can provide yourself the help that you're looking for. So I mentioned those links. Make sure to do them a click. You still get 20% off with the code AndrewMoMoney with Lux Algo. That's the one that gave you buy and sell signals, and you get 2 free stocks, including a couple more free stocks from Moo and Webull. And I think that's a pretty good deal for doing basically nothing in the time of the stock market being the most volatile you've seen in a while. For now, but not for forever. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the money. Peace.